Hi guys, Jess here with Digital Empire and welcome to the Legendary Marketer Review, Red Flags You Need to Watch Out For. So we're going to go ahead and get started. 3 things we're going to look at today in this review is you're going to get all your facts together. I'm going to give you a fully comprehensive review so that you can make an informed decision. Second, is it worth it? Is it a scam? Number 3, are there other options? If you like videos about internet marketing, please press the like button and subscribe today. For full transparency, I am not affiliated with this program, but if you stay till the end, you will get a free special gift that I have for you. Okay, so let's just jump in. Why listen to me? I'm a former international teacher of 14 years. I wanted to leave the rat race badly. I wanted to spend time with my family and kids and I just wanted to have say about my time and where I was going to go and what I was going to do. And I wanted to be my own boss, basically. And so I tried everything. Much to my detriment, but I did everything. I did crypto space. I had my own online shop. I went ahead and invested in various coaching programs that I had good experiences and bad experiences and costly experiences. And so I feel obliged to give you as much information as possible so you can make a peaceful decision with just the facts. Okay? So that's why I do this. And so let's just jump in. Who is this program for? This is for the entrepreneur who wants to ditch their 9-to-5, basically. Who created this course? David Sharp has years of marketing experience, which makes him a legend in some circles. So he basically began in March 2007, where he began a company called Empower Network. And Empower Network was labeled as an MLM, which was very unpopular in the past due to ethical reasons. This is him right here. And so back in the day, David Sharp and his business partner, David Wood, admitted to the products in the company being fake. And so by definition, when all the products are fake and all the money goes to the top, it's a pyramid scheme. And those are very nasty. Sometimes you never recover from those. So 2020 comes along and there's a new compliance emerges and prompting itself as a marketing company. And then Legendary Marketer was born. And so here we are. So what is Legendary Marketer? Exactly. So it is an online university that helps coaches and entrepreneurs with digital courses. And there are currently 15-day online business builder challenge. And so this gives information on the course and how it works. Below is what's included. So the cost is an initial 15-day online business builder, which is only $7. And this does not come with a free trial. And so some of the payment will depend on what you want to invest in and your chosen blueprints. Any hidden costs? This is important to note that some students have said that after they have taken the course and choosing some of the upsells, it has come up to about $2,500 plus on the upsells. So there are commissions and upsell rates at different prices. And so also basic things like domains and funnels will be paid, which we will cover later in this video. So what are the reviews? What do they say? According to Trustpilot, some of them are saying it is another MLM scam. Even some of the members have been encouraged to become affiliates in order to promote the company, which can still have connotations of MLM. And so here, as you see, it says Legendary Marketer. It has the screenshot. It basically says, don't do it. Or, some people have liked it, but there's a 71 disapproval and 23 approval. So numbers don't lie at all in that manner. So you want to keep in mind that the main thing that they teach you is how to resell the Legendary Marketer itself, which equals MLM. So you want to be careful with that. This will limit your income. Why? The products are not just being promoted by you, but everybody else inside the program. And so you're in competition with everybody. And so why do that when you can sell 600 million products online as an affiliate marketer? There's so many other ways to make money instead of just selling one thing. And so it increases too much competition. And that's what they're encouraged to do in this particular course. So to make it a business online, you have to do training, keywords, research to attract people. And there's lots of different things. So on this screenshot here, you'll see these are all the upsells. $30 per month for the club, $2,500 one-time fee for the blueprint, another digital blueprint for $2,500, $8,000 mastermind, $10,000 for a done-for-you brand builder, $30,000 for the leadership group. It goes on and on and on. As you can see in this screenshot, these are all the upsells. And so when people have said it goes up, people have spent about $2,500 at the base for all the different blueprints. Up, you can go up as $10,000, $30,000. So it can be quite expensive on the upsells. Bottom line, okay, the initial cost is not. The initial cost is not very expensive, so it's like $7. But then you have all of these upsells, which can cost you anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 in upsells. So that could be quite expensive. And some of the other costs needed are for ClickFunnels, which is $100, email corresponder, $20, paid traffic can get you up into the thousands alone. Oh, paid traffic, yeah, it's gonna be really expensive. Domain names, 10 to 20 a year. And so, the pros is that it's a comprehensive training. You have an experienced founder. I mean, he does know some things about what he's doing, right? There's an affiliate marketing focus, which is great. There's a private Facebook group, and there's coaching support. The cons is that he's very controversial. He is got a bad reputation with MLM schemes. There's an additional cost of the upsells plus the small fortune in funnels and other additional costs to make that you would have to pay yearly to make the program work for you. And so there's just too many negative reviews claiming that it has an MLM scheme, and there's lots of upsells. So the verdict, I would say, in this particular course is that there's a lot of negative reviews, there's a controversial founder, the upsells and high pressure tactics, and too many MLM undertones. And just a lot of upsells I think is also just one of the main things. So I hope this was, helpful. Overall, I do think there are other ways to make money. And so as promised, here's my link to my free gift inside of my pinned comments below this video. And some of the advantages of high ticket affiliate marketing are amazing and have really just changed my life. You can be working with companies that you align with, and by promoting these companies, you get a piece of the pie, commissions earned, and that could be reoccurring for you. I will say that high ticket affiliate marketing is the easiest and fastest online business model for people wanting to start a business today online. A few benefits is you can work from anywhere with a laptop. I'm currently in Australia for a little bit more. I've just been here for a little bit, but I'm visiting. You can work on your own time anywhere. It's a low startup cost, no overheads. You don't have to pay for ads. You don't have to pay for all these extra costs involved. And you can automate your business and earning potential each month. And so there's no selling, no customer service support you have to worry about. And you can do this as a part-time basis or alongside a full-time job. And so press the link, and it's in the pinned comments under this video, and you will get a cheat sheet to 3 proven steps to quitting your 9-to-5 job with high ticket affiliate marketing. Grab yours. You will love it. This is the screenshot. It'll come up. You'll have your free book. You'll get instant access. So I hope that you guys have a great day. Thank you for joining me for the Legendary Marketer Review and all the things you need to know. So have a great day, and we will see you on the next episode of Digital Empire.